Hi, Gibaud. I've got light in my back. Why? Because I want to have wind in my back, because today we speak about sound. Look at this. This is a microphone, 5 grams. Look at the size. Another one here. Okay, I can sing like this, or I can place it with magnet. We're going to see that. Here there is the receiver that goes on a smartphone, tablet, computer. This is USB-C, but there's also have lightning if you have an older iPhone. And these are the Saramonic Air SE. So I'm going to place them on my iPhone and we're going to test the quality. I said I would not test any more microphone because I've got some Rode, I've got some DJI, all this, but many people ask me for simple and really really cheap, affordable, I should say, more than cheap because quality is there, affordable microphone. So this one is about $49 US. So I thought, okay, let's look at it, let's try it. So let's go and test this Saramonic Air SE. Let's start. It's really easy to use. First, you can use it as a microphone like this, like a singer. Whoa, yeah, okay. Otherwise, you have the 2 microphones here. Let's say I pick one. Here you have magnets. I could place it on my collar here if I want. Okay, here it is placed. That's it. Or I could say I want it on my cap, and the cap maybe is a bit thick for that. So they do provide also some clips. 2, because I have 2 microphones, so 2 clips. If I want, I take it here. It also comes with USB-C cable to be able to charge it. And if I take one of the clip here, I could say I place it on my cap here. Okay, get the microphone, and here you are, ready to record. Easy. Okay, also it is windy, so they thought about everything. Here you have 2 windshield for that. I place it here to cut the wind. So I'm going to mount everything and we're going to do some testing. Right now I was recording with my DJI Mic 3 on my Pocket 4. Here's the receiver. I take it out so it will give an error, okay? You can see this is a USB-C version. You place it here. Okay, let's see. And that's it, okay? And here this is a lightning version. If you have a tablet, or if you depend on the tablet, you have an iPad, or if you have the iPhone before the version 16, you need this one. This is optional. They send me both, but this is optional with lightning, so you can use it. As you can see, perfect, easy, you connect, and that's it. Here we go. Okay, that's simple. So now this is the windshield is placed. I cut on my cap. To see the sound so far recorded on Pocket 4 by DJI with the Mic 3, but then we'll test the sound of this and see it goes with the windshield because it's windy, okay? And outdoor I think it's always better to have a windshield anyway. Well, ready? Here I've placed the receiver that's just here in the USB-C connector. I'm using the Blackmagic app. There are 3 possibilities to have without noise reduction, with weak noise reduction, or strong reduction, okay? Right now it's off. It's really windy here, so you should hear some sound, that's normal. And they say that you get up to 200 meters. Don't need that much, because I would probably use this microphone for vlogging or for behind the scenes, so really I don't need that much, but they do say it goes very far. Anyway, I'm going to do a simple test. Walk about 20-30 meters, see if it goes, and give you the result. After we'll do some noise reduction testing to see the difference, and if I mix my Mic 3 with this, I will tell you which microphone it is, okay? Maybe one is a lot better than the other, I don't know, but we speak about a really affordable microphone, and we'll see the quality, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I'm about 20 meters away. I don't know if I lost or not. No idea. And because I was back receiving, back to the receiver, I'm going to walk a bit more and let's see, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 metros, 30 meters, 30 meters. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 40 meters. Going back, walking. I'm not sure we could hear that. Volviendo, volviendo, volviendo. Retour, retour, retour. Coming back, coming back, coming back. Volviendo, volviendo, volviendo. Retour, retour, retour. Coming back, coming back, coming back. Volviendo, 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 volviendo. Here I am. By the way, if you wanted to help me, don't forget I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminor Neo, use my code ERIC10. You get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still place your code and you save some more money. And with ERIC20, you get a 20% discount on Cane Faith, where you will find all the accessories, Boy Kev concept, and more brands. So use it. That helps you. That helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. Let's carry on. Well, what's great about testing microphone, I don't have to give my opinion, just listen and that's it. Maybe the volume was a bit high because I think I put it a bit high. I just put it down now, okay? But the noise reduction was off, and I've listened to what was recorded by the iPhone with this microphone on the Blackmagic app, and I walked up to over 40 meters. I calculated 40, I think it was a bit more because I made big steps, and I think I didn't notice any loss of connection even when I was back to the microphone. So I think that's great. Maybe the Mic 3 actually lost. I don't know. I'll check after. But I'm surprised. The quality, the size, and the quality of the sound, you decide for yourself. But the connectivity, the connection was fine. I didn't have any drop off. So this is big news. The AI noise reduction was off. Now we're going to switch it off on to compare, okay? But so far, what I've seen, what I've heard more, I think it's good. I think that's not bad at all. Now noise reduction is off, and to change it is really easy. Or you go into the app, or you press this button here. First, without any reduction, it's a bit windy. I don't know, you value yourself, the sound. My opinion is irrelevant. What's important is what you think about what you're hearing right now. There's no sound correction, okay? And now I'm going to press once, and we'll get into strong noise reduction right now. No, there's no wind, so let's see if there's a bit of wind that enters. To be fair, let's make some noise with more fit like this, okay? It's a bit windy again. Okay, so you hear this is the strongest reduction. Normally when you do that, you get a bit more, I would say, a bit more metallic voice normally. Now let's press once more, and now it will circle slower. Now it's green, okay, and now it is with the weakest noise reduction. I think it's more balanced between this metallic voice and the noise you may pick. I've noticed before making some testing that when you actually have no noise reduction, it tends to pick any sounds, okay? So although I prefer to do noise reduction in post-production, I think with this microphone it's recommended to do at least weak version when record, because it picks everything, okay, otherwise. Well, right now we can hear the car. Maybe, I don't know how it was. Okay, luckily a car passed. Okay, there is an app to manage your microphone. Right now I've got only one mic that is on. Here I'm in mono, so you see both moving. But if I go on stereo, as you can see, there's only one because I've got one mic that is here. Okay, I can put in safety mode, so I've got the two tracks that are recorded. One has normal sound, and the other one is 6 to 12 dB lower in case there would be a peak. Okay, so I can it's a safety, and I can be in mono like this, so it records on both tracks the same sound. Here I can change what is the AI noise reduction. Here I've got then strong, weak, as I recommended. Weak is a good option, I think. Here you can mute the microphone if you want. Here you have the vocal boost, or you can have a low cut 150 hertz or 75 hertz, or the original sound, or a high boost, or a bass boost, or vocal. It is the way I had it, so it sounds maybe better for my voice. Okay, here you can have the LED light that is here to be off or on, so maybe you don't want anyone to see the microphone light. And that's it. That's really simple. One tip, really important, when I recorded, I didn't understand that when I was listening to this video after on my iPhone, the sound was really low, but on the computer it was fine. So I didn't understand what it was. Don't forget to switch off, to get really out of the app when you finish with it, because the iPhone doesn't like to have two apps to manage sound. It means the volume will be really low, it will not work, okay? But the recording is fine. It's just when you check back. So don't forget when you're finished to really get out of the app. So the sound is okay when you want to replay, to want to listen to it again, okay? The sound or the video, okay? I have screen capture so you can have a look at the app easier, okay? Up to now, I didn't do any sound correction. Maybe when I edited, maybe I lowered down a bit the volume, but I didn't put any filters, no compressor, nothing at all. But normally sound is like photography or videography. It's normally you usually fine-tune a bit. So now I'm going to put a compressor and filter all this to see the difference. But I think right now, without anything, it was already not bad at all. So let's switch on the filters and the adjustments so you can listen to it. So here we're in Tenerife. This is a valley here. There is a barrage. I don't know how you call that in English. I'm not sure. Where there is water, a really small lake there. I've recorded many things here. I remember testing the Saramonic light meter right here, just in this area. Right now, I've got AI noise reduction to weak, okay? So I don't know what you think about the sound. Actually, I don't have to give my opinion. Your opinion is yours because, yeah, if you like it, that's fine. If you don't like it, that's fine also. It's a matter of personal taste. But so far, without any filter, I think the sound was already very interesting. It was not bad at all. There's one thing I really love. Everything is magnetic. When I remove this, going to give an error, obviously. Okay, but as you can see, I place it here to keep it here. Okay, and that's it. And if I get out of my cap the other one, I place it here. Okay, and as you can see, you can remove the windshield, and that's it. You see, look at the size. This is incredible. Oh, I've got some fluffy stuff. That's normal when they're new. Okay, Saramonic, and see the size. Incredible. You have it in the pocket. You have two microphones in there, and you can bring it anywhere. I think this is incredible. So a few specs. By the way, a guy the other day commented that he noticed that I did my video with AI. For the last 15 years, I've been doing with this. This is my AI. Sometimes I write it on my computer. I check the screen because I can put larger. It's easier for me to read because my eyes are getting older. But no, what I do with AI is the thumbnails because YouTube said you should use AI to do the thumbnails and you get more visits. And that's right. The algorithm is a lot better with me with these new thumbnails. So thank you so much. So let's speak to the AI. Sorry, guy, this is my AI. Okay. So a few specs. I said most of them, 5 grams it weighs only. This one, okay. For 48 kilohertz, 24 bits. As I said, all the AI, all this I told you. Up to 200 meters. I think this is, a lot. I went up to 50, but I think you don't need 200, but still, I tested as I would use it. At the most, 50 meters. I think it was great. The sound was good. And the battery lasts for 6 hours, but if you place it in the charger, in the small, it's a small holder, charger, it does everything. It can recharge up to 28 hours. So I think this is you will have a charge usable time of 28 hours, which is a lot. So what can I tell about this microphone? Honestly, I don't have to give you my opinion about the sound because you like it or you don't like it. That's simple. But if you look at the tool, I think this is fantastic. That size, that small, you can hide it easily. You can get it with your smartphone anywhere or your tablet or computer. So many people want to vlog and they forget that sound is key. A video, if the picture is nice but the sound is good, people give up. If the sound is really good, you listen to it, and even if the image is not perfect, you stay there. So this is really important to have a good sound. For that price, there's nothing to think about. So the only thing, if you like the sound you heard, get it. If you don't like it, well, don't get it. That's simple. But honestly, I was surprised. Actually, I used Saramonic at a time for several years. Now I use other microphones that more expensive, and I'm happy with them. But still, I think Saramonic for me brings great memory, and I think they've even improved more and more the product. Why do I use some DJI and some Rode? Basically for the connection to their own brand of device, because it's easy. But when I connect to a smartphone, well, this is great, no doubt. So for me, on that part, completely recommendable. The sound depends on you. You listen, you like it or not, and you decide. So if you're interested in getting it, I'll leave you a link in the description. There is a discount. I don't know when it ends up, so don't tell in the video, because I can't remember, but you check the link in there. It will tell you there's a discount code, so use it. So thank you so much, Saramonic, for sending me this microphone to test it. Thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here and a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Don't forget, I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. And if you want to buy Luminar Neo, use my code ERIC10. You get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So use it. That helps you and that helps me. And also with ERIC20, you get a 20% discount on Cane Faith, where you will find all the accessories, Boy, KF, Concept, and more brands. So use it. That helps you. That helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. I'll also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.